time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Nashville, or 16 miles east of Bloomington, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Franklin, Bean Bluff, Spearsville, Morgantown, Tioga, Princess Lakes, Trafalgar, Parkersville. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 86 and 89. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.